First up, we have the Taman Bunga Nusantara. This is a flower paradise that would give the gardens of Europe a run for their money. With an array of colorful blooms arranged in intricate patterns and designs, stepping into Taman Bunga Nusantara is like stepping into a Dutch tulip field. Next on our list is the Bogor Botanical Gardens. This lush oasis is reminiscent of the Royal Botanic Gardens in London. It's home to a diverse range of plant species, making it a must-visit for nature lovers and botany enthusiasts alike. Third, we have the Gunung Mas Tea Plantation. This sprawling green landscape is strikingly similar to the tea plantations of Scotland. The rolling hills and the fresh air will make you feel like you're in the Scottish Highlands. Our fourth destination is the Sindang Barong Cultural Village. This traditional village, with its unique architecture and culture, can be likened to the charming old towns of Eastern Europe. Fifth on our list is the De Voyage Bogor. This quirky spot is a replica of a traditional German village complete with windmills and timber-framed houses. Next we have the Orchid Forest Cikole. This beautiful orchid park is a mirror image of the Orchideenhoeve in the Netherlands. Our seventh destination is the Highland Park Resort. This resort, with its Mongolian tents, gives off a vibe similar to the yurt camps in Central Asia. Eighth on our list is the Kuntum Nurseries. This farm and nursery are akin to the quaint countryside farms in the south of France. Ninth we have the Dutch Palace. This historical building with its colonial architecture is reminiscent of the Grand Palaces in Belgium. And finally, we have the Jungleland Adventure Theme Park. This exciting park with its thrilling rides and attractions is like the adventurous theme parks found in various parts of Europe. So there you have it. 10 stunning destinations in Bogor that will give you a taste of Europe. From the colorful Taman Bunga Nusantara to the thrilling Jungleland Adventure Theme Park, these spots offer a unique and unforgettable experience. So why wait? Start exploring these European gems right in the heart of Bogor.